Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Robinhood account. First, you need to sell all your investments and withdraw any remaining cash. Make sure your account balance is completely zero. If you prefer, you can also transfer your assets to another brokerage before closing. Remember, deleting your account is a permanent decision, so be sure you're ready to proceed with this final step. Before you can close your Robinhood account, it's crucial to prepare it properly. This means selling off all your stocks, options, and any cryptocurrency you hold. Once everything is sold, initiate a full withdrawal of all your cash. It can take a few business days for these transactions to fully settle, so be patient. Confirm your account balance is exactly zero before moving forward. Once your account is completely empty, the next step is to contact Robinhood's support team. You can do this through their in-app help center or by visiting their official website. Submit a clear request to close your investment account, explicitly stating your intention to permanently delete it. They might ask for some verification details to confirm your identity, so have those ready. After submitting your request, Robinhood will process your account closure. You should receive an email confirmation once your account has been successfully deleted. It's a good idea to keep this confirmation for your personal records. Once confirmed, your Robinhood account will no longer be accessible, and your journey with them will officially conclude. Congratulations on completing the process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.